Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing number 259. And just to finish out this box here, it looks like we're missing an 8. For this top row, we're missing 1 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 1, 8. And for this box now, we're missing 4 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 4, 5. For this row, now we're missing 3 and a 7. We've got a 3 here, so 7, 3. For this box, we're missing 6, 1, 6, and 9. We've got a 1 and 6 here, so this is our 9. I don't see any other help. So 1, 6, 1, 6. For this column, we're missing 2 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 2, 8. For this column, we're missing 4 and 9. We've got a 4 here, so 9, 4. For this box, we're missing 3, 4, and 7. We've got a 3 and 4 here, so this is our 7. I don't see any other help. So 3, 4, 3, 4. For this box, we're missing 1, 6, and 7. We've got the 1 covering these two boxes. So 6, 7, 6, 7. That means our 1 has to be here. For this row, we're missing 2, 6, and 7. Don't see any help here, so 2, 6, 7. We've got a 7 here, so 2, 6. For this column, looks like we're missing 5 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 5, 9. For this row now, we're missing 2, 4, and 5. We've got the 5 covering here, so 2, 4. 5 here, so 2, 4. And if 5 can't be there or there, it must be here. For this column, we're missing 2, 6, and 7. We've got a 2 and 7 here, so this is our 6. 7 here, so 2, 7. That 7 makes this our 6, 7. And that 6 makes this our 2, which makes this our 4, 2. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 3, and I don't see any help. So 1, 3, 1, 3. For this box, we're missing 6 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 6, 8. For this bottom row, we're missing a 6 and a 7. We've got a 7 here, so 6, 7. That 6 makes this our 1, 6. For this box now, we're missing 5 and 9. We have a 5 here, so 9, 5. For this column now, we're just missing a 4. And for this box, we're missing 1 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 1, 9. The 1 comes over here, makes this our 3, 1. That 3 makes this our 4 and 3. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.